In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a guest post to Ubersuggest in 2025. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you have all the information you need to successfully pitch your ideas and potentially get published. To begin this journey, we start by heading over to Neil Patel's website. Ubersuggest is integral to his brand, and you'll find a treasure trove of insights there. Take the time to read through a few articles to get a sense of the types of topics they cover. You'll notice a strong focus on SEO, marketing strategies, and innovative content ideas. Pay close attention to the writing style used, as this will help you align your pitch to their preferences. Once you familiarize yourself with their content, brainstorm 2 to 3 compelling topics that you feel would be a great fit for their audience. For instance, consider angles like how small businesses can use Ubersuggest for SEO, or easy SEO tips for beginners. These are just examples, but they should give you an idea of the kind of value you want to offer. Now, with topics in hand, it's time to craft a concise pitch email. Begin by introducing yourself and make sure to include your topic ideas clearly. If you have any links to your past writing or online presence, this is a great time to share them. It provides credibility and context. You can send this pitch to their designated email address, or alternatively use the contact form available on their website. Next comes the waiting game, awaiting their response. If they find your ideas engaging, they'll reach out to request the article. Once you receive the green light, it's time to write your post. Make sure your article is clear, informative, and most importantly, original. It's essential that your piece stands out, offers genuine value, and aligns with the audience's needs. Don't forget to include a brief author bio at the end. This is your opportunity to showcase who you are and add a personal touch to your contribution. With your article ready for submission, follow their guidelines for sending it in. After it's been reviewed and hopefully approved, it will be published, marking a proud moment of achievement for you. Finally, once your article is live, sharing it on your social media platforms can help widen its reach. Encourage your network to read and share the piece, amplifying your efforts and leveraging this opportunity for greater exposure. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to navigate the world of guest posting on Ubersuggest. I hope this guide empowers you to take the next step in your writing journey and opens doors for more opportunities in the digital content landscape. Good luck and happy writing!